How much time do you spend every week staring at a blinking cursor, trying to type out notes from a long meeting or a lecture? Writing at the speed of thought is nearly impossible when your fingers have to do all the work. Today, we are changing that. Our goal is to help you stop typing and start talking by using free AI tools to transcribe your voice into text instantly. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just wants to capture their ideas while on the go, this is your path to a hands-free digital life. To get started, you only need a couple of basic things. First, make sure you have your smartphone or a computer nearby. Second, you'll want to set up a free account for Otter.ai, which is one of the most powerful transcription apps available today. If you prefer to stay within the Google ecosystem, we will also show you how to use the built-in voice typing feature in Google Docs. Both are excellent, free options that turn your spoken words into a written document in real time. Step 1 is all about the setup. If you're using a phone, open the Otter app. If you're on a computer, open a new Google Doc. Before you hit record, check your microphone input. If you are in a crowded room, using a pair of earbuds with a built-in mic will significantly improve the AI's accuracy. In Google Docs, you can find this under the Tools menu by selecting Voice Typing. Ensure your language is set correctly and you're ready to go. Now, step 2, the live recording. As you begin speaking or as a meeting starts, simply tap the microphone icon. You'll see the AI begin to work immediately. One of the most impressive parts of modern AI transcription is how it handles context. If you stumble over a word or use the wrong tense, watch the screen closely. The AI often waits until the end of the sentence to correct the grammar, based on the overall meaning. If you're using Otter, the tool will even identify different speakers, labeling them Speaker 1 and Speaker 2 automatically. This means you don't just get a wall of text, you get a structured script of the entire conversation. Once you have your transcript, you might be looking at several pages of text. That leads us to step 3, summary generation. We don't just want the words, we want the insights. Take your finished transcript and copy a section of it. You can then paste this into an AI assistant like Chatgpt or Gemini with a simple prompt. Summarize this transcript into 3 key bullet points. Within seconds, the AI will digest that long-winded meeting into the essential action items, saving you from having to reread the entire conversation later. The final result is a perfectly formatted, searchable document created without you typing a single word. You've successfully offloaded the manual labor of data entry to your devices. You can now search for specific keywords within your notes or share the summary with your team immediately after the session ends. As a bonus shortcut for the power users out there, if you're using Google Docs on a computer, you don't need to navigate the menus every time. Just hit Ctrl+Shift+S on a PC or Command+Shift+S on a Mac. This toggles the voice typing microphone on and off instantly, making it easy to jump between talking and manual editing. The key takeaway for today is that AI isn't just a futuristic concept for tech experts. It is your new personal secretary. It's here to handle the repetitive tasks so you can focus on the big ideas. In our next episode, we're going to help you stay safe while using these devices by covering 3 essential phone privacy settings you should change right now to stop apps from tracking your every move. See you then.